Hello again. This time we're going to do advanced search. I apologize once again for my cluttered screen. I did not wish to pay for the subscription, so you're going to get the entire top and bottom of my screen. So we're back on the Philosopher's Index. As you can see, it looks more or less the same as before. This time we're going to go click on advanced search. Now that we're in advanced search, you can see that there's far more that we can do with our advanced search. We already got Aristotle up in here. You can actually decide if you want to search for an abstract or an excerpt full text. You can search by subject, author, document title, publication title, and even search by these other modifiers like if an update or reviewed work, search by ISBN if you know a title that you're looking for, you can do that as well. Let's just go with anywhere for now for Aristotle, and you can also add rows. You can do and or not. If you want to exclude something, you can say you don't want any of Aristotle's poems, just make sure you put poems in here. You say you want Aristotle and poems, then you put this in. One or the other, then you say or. So let's go with, just for the fun of it, let's go with something in the subject heading. For instance, you can add rows should you want any more to search modifiers to narrow. Obviously, you can limit to peer reviewed. You can also select dates. And you also can actually do document types, monographs, journal articles, dissertations, contributions, book reviews, as well as language. Obviously, we're doing English, so let's just go with that for now. You also modify your search results down here. For fun of it, let's do 100. Not that we're going to get that many with us filtering by poem. And this doesn't happen too often, but you can also exclude by duplicate documents. Really quickly, there's also search tips, which gives you quite a different look at things if you're not familiar with how to search a catalog. It runs you through all the little words and terms, what they mean, what they do. Brackets, I don't know how often people actually search with brackets to search date, but you can also do that within the text field. All that relevant information is here for you to quickly glance at should you need any help with your searching. Let's close that. Let's just go ahead and search Aristotle on poems. Looks like we didn't get any results, probably because of the subject heading. So let's just do and anywhere. Let's try that again. So it looks like we only have 16 scholarly journals. It's a little more reduced, obviously, because we filtered it significantly. Once again, we can unselect peer-reviewed. We can, obviously, the source type is only journals, so we just have that. We can narrow and change our date range. Publication title, document title, subject, and language are all here as well. All the same tools from basic search are still here. You can still hit preview. You can still cite, email, and pin drop your items for browsing for later. So let's try another basic search. Let's try or. Well, how much will this change? Since it's or, the results are significantly different. You might not necessarily get poems of Aristotle, but you definitely will get Aristotle results. Let's go ahead and do another one. As you can see, you can also type that in by hand. You don't have to necessarily use the rows. Let's do and then maybe not. Something about him. Thankfully, there's still plenty that don't include ontologies. As you can see, there are quite a few things you can do to modify your searches. Advanced search will go a long way to help you find more specifically what you're looking for.